Imagine waking up to a world where everything you know defies logic. You open your eyes, and instead of sinking into your bed, you're floating toward the ceiling, your blanket drifting like a ghost above you. The ground isn't pulling you down anymore. It's pushing you away. Gravity, the invisible force that's held us to Earth for billions of years, has reversed. What happens next? What would you do if the world flipped upside down? Would you panic, or would you adapt? This isn't just a thought experiment. It's a journey into the unknown, a test of human resilience, and a chance to rethink everything we take for granted. Let's dive into this mind-bending scenario. Picture it. One moment, you're walking down the street, coffee in hand, and the next, you're tumbling upward, the sky becoming your new floor. It's terrifying, exhilarating, and utterly surreal. The first moments of reversed gravity would be pure chaos. Buildings groan as their foundations strain against this new force. Rivers defy their banks, flowing upward in shimmering arcs. The world as we know it is unraveling. Why did this happen? Scientists might scramble for answers, magnetic field shifts, cosmic anomalies, or even some unknown force rewriting physics itself. But in those first hours, survival trumps curiosity. How do you navigate a world where down is now up? Every step you take is a fight against being flung into the sky. People cling to anything bolted down, streetlights, railings, even each other. But here's the kicker. What if this isn't temporary? What if gravity never goes back to normal? That's the question that haunts us. Could humanity survive? Could you survive? Let's explore the science, the stakes, and the sheer human spirit that would rise in the face of this cosmic upheaval. As hours turn to days, humanity begins to adapt. Engineers design tether systems to keep people grounded. Think bungee cords for everyday life. Cities become web-like mazes of ropes and cables, connecting buildings like lifelines. But not everyone's so lucky. In rural areas, where resources are scarce, people improvise with whatever they can find. Vines, chains, even bedsheets tied together. It's a testament to human ingenuity, but also a stark reminder of inequality. Who gets to survive in this new world? The psychological toll is immense. Imagine the fear of falling up forever, into the vast unknown of space. Yet, amidst this terror, stories of heroism emerge. A firefighter risks everything to save a family, trapped on a floating rooftop. A teacher ties her students together, forming a human chain to reach safety. These moments remind us, even when the world turns upside down, the human spirit finds a way to shine. But here's a wild thought. What if this new reality sparks something incredible? What if it forces us to rethink how we live? Let's pause for a reality check. Could gravity actually reverse? The short answer, it's unlikely, but not impossible. Gravity is a fundamental force, tied to the mass of objects like Earth. Reversing it would require something cataclysmic, a shift in the planet's core, a cosmic event, or even alien tech messing with physics. Here's a shocking fact. Earth's magnetic field has flipped in the past, though not gravity itself. Scientists say it could happen again, disrupting life as we know it. Could a gravity flip be next? It's a stretch, but it makes you wonder, what else are we taking for granted? The real question isn't just could it happen, but what would it mean? If gravity reversed, it would rewrite physics, challenge our survival, and force us to confront our place in the universe. It's not just a disaster, it's a wake-up call. This brings us to the heart of our story, humanity's response. Would we crumble under the weight of this new reality? Or would we rise, united to build a new world? Let's find out. Months pass, and humanity finds its footing, literally. Floating cities emerge, tethered to the Earth's crust, suspended like islands in the sky. Architects design upside-down skyscrapers with floors on ceilings and chandeliers hanging upward. It's not perfect. Resources are scarce, and conflicts arise over who controls the tethers. But something beautiful happens too. People come together like never before. Neighbors share ropes, communities pool resources, and strangers become family. Here's the twist. What if this disaster becomes our greatest opportunity? Reversing gravity forces us to rethink everything. How we build, how we live, how we love. It strips away the mundane and reveals what truly matters: connection, courage, and creativity. Think about it. When was the last time you looked up at the sky and felt truly alive? This new world, chaotic as it is, reminds us to dream bigger, to hold on tighter, and to never stop reaching for the stars. Literally. This thought experiment isn't just about gravity, it's about us. It's about how we face the impossible, how we adapt when the world turns upside down. Every challenge, big or small, is a chance to grow, to innovate, to become better than we were. So what's your takeaway? Maybe it's to appreciate the ground beneath your feet. Maybe it's to hold your loved ones a little closer. Or maybe it's to ask yourself, what would I do if my world flipped upside down? Would I fall or would I fly? This journey has shown us that even in the wildest scenarios, humanity finds a way to shine. Want to explore another mind-blowing what-if scenario? Check out our next video. What if time travel became real? It's packed with twists and possibilities that'll keep you thinking. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and dive into the next adventure with us. See you there.